Are you ready to unleash your GPU's true potential and supercharge your Windows performance? Let's dive in. First, you'll need to access your Windows settings. Click the Start button in the lower left corner, then click the gear icon to open the Settings app. Alternatively, you can right-click the Start button and select Settings from the list. Once the Settings app is open, click on System. Then, from the System options, locate and click on Display. In the display settings, scroll down until you find the graphics settings option. Click on it to continue. The graphics settings page is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of applications, and you can customize their performance preferences if the application you want to optimize isn't listed. Click the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window. Navigate to the location of the executable file for the application you want to use with your GPU. This is usually found within the application's installation folder, often within Program Files or Program Files by 86. Select the application's X file and click Add. Now that the application is added to the list, click on the application and then click Options. A window will appear with performance preference choices. Select High Performance. This will force your GPU to be used for this specific application. Then, click Save. You've done it. The next time you launch the application, your GPU will be working for you, providing noticeably better performance for graphically intensive tasks. Remember to repeat these steps for additional applications you wish to optimize. Now go out there and enjoy the power of your GPU.